Hello, this video will explain how to do the assignment for today and tomorrow, that is making a Tinkercad SketchUp of the school, Tidwell Middle School. So when you log into the Google Earth view, you will find this view here or something similar to this. This is actually a pretty neat assignment because you've got all the tools that you need. You're going to create the school on Tinkercad, but this view, because you can do a lot of things with the actual vantage point, you can get a very good idea of the shape of the school. You can get a good idea of the dimensions of the school by moving around and figuring out where things are in relation to other things. Now, one other neat feature that Google Earth has is a little ruler. So when you're using Tinkercad, you need to plan and figure out how do you make things just right. And you may have to scale, or you will have to scale everything to a degree. So this section right here, which would be the 6th and 7th grade halls, you would need to take the ruler and you can just touch it, and then you can go like for this wall here, from here to here is about 162 feet. And so you can do that. And then if I figure out how tall the whole building is, it's about the same height the whole way around. So I can do the same thing. Touch the ruler. Oops. Let's get rid of that again. Let's go here and ruler. From here to here is about 40 feet tall. So just using the ruler, you can then figure out what your dimensions are. Your challenge is going to be to figure out who does what jobs, because I'm not really concerned necessarily about air conditioning units and things on the top, but we need to have these parts where the gyms are higher. We need to have the little courtyards. We need to have the little indentions. And we also, in the end, need to have the windows and stuff. And so it's really important that everybody does their part. This is going to be teams of 4. So it would be best to coordinate sections of the school that each person does, and you're going to be working on the same grid, and then put them all together. So you need to be on the same page with respect to the scaling and everything, so that you have everything measured right, so that when you put them together, they're actually going to work. And there's a couple ways of doing that. One hint may be to have a starting point, like measure up this square and maybe make that the starting point and put the roof 40 feet above the ground and go from there. I'll let you all decide, but this is a team effort, and I'm expecting everybody to do their part. And this will be due on the end of school on Friday. So you have 3 full school days to work on it. And I think this should be fun. You'll probably be amazed with the creation that you come up with. Good luck.